Hi students, welcome to Narayana Virtual Classes. This is Venkat. Today we have to discuss the assignment topic is electric current. This is assignment 18. Here mainly 5 questions are there. Let's go to discuss the question number 1. See the question here. What is the value of x in the given figure? So how to find the x values here? We should follow the Loops law. So what is the Loops law? What is junction law? You know very well here. We have to follow that here. What is the junction law? According to junction law, should take here, this is a junction. In this junction, that sum of that into the current in the junction is must be equal to leaving the current in the junction. So first of all, you should take the here into the current. So into the current here, x is into the current plus 2 amperes into the current and one more 2 amperes is into the current. This is into the current. It must be equal to leaving the current 2a plus one more leaving the current is 2a. So this 2a plus 2a have to move that side, this coming minus. X is equal to 2a plus 2a, here move that side is coming minus 2a plus 2a. So total value is coming 0. Means 4 minus 4 is 0. That's why here x value is 0 amperes. X value is 0 amperes. So this is the answer for question number 1. Next go to the question number 2. See the question number 2 here. Draw a loop AC dBA as minus V2 plus I2 R2 minus I1 R1 plus V1 is equal to 0. Let's take the diagram here. Yes, here minus V2. Take here one battery. I taken that this is V1. And one more battery take here, this is V2. Here V2 is minus, means to take direction, this is the current direction. And here the current is I1. And here the current is I2. And here resistor is R1 and here the resistor is R2. Resistor is R2. Let's see here, minus V2. Why? Because this is the current direction. EMF is the positive to negative terminal. The potential difference should be taken as negative. That's why here minus V2. And EMF is opposite direction of positive to negative, should take I2 R2 is positive. That's why here I2 R2 is positive. That's why this A, B, C, D. You should take here A, B and C and D. This is a loop here. What is the loop here? A, C, D, B, A. This is a loop here. And also this loop is follow this minus V2 plus I2 R2 and minus I1 R1. This is the minus I1 R1 plus V1 is equal to 0. Means the total potential difference in the circuit must be equal to 0. So this is the answer for question number 2. Now let's go to discuss question number 3. See the question number 3 here. Find the resultant of potential difference from the given figure for the loop A, B, C, D, E, A based on Loops law. So you know very well what is the Loops law. Here the potential difference is V1. Here the potential difference is V1. At R1 the potential difference is I1 R1. The potential difference is I1 R1. Now we want to find what is the total potential difference. Means we have to find the total potential difference. Means V1 plus IR1 is must be equal to 0. Must be equal to 0. Means V1 potential difference V1 plus IR1 is must be equal to 0. So this is the resultant potential difference in the given figure. So this is the answer for question number 3. Now let's go to discuss question number 4. How do sign convention be taken in a circuit? Yeah, you know very well what is the Loops law. According to Loops law, first of all see here the EMF of a battery the EMF of a battery should taken here. For example, take this is the battery, okay, this is the resistor, okay, this is the potential difference and this is the current direction. According to Loops law, the EMF is taken as negative. When you taken the negative means when you move you have to take that terminal from positive to negative. Should taken here positive to negative, the EMF is negative. And the same way this EMF is positive. When it is positive means when you are taken that values from negative to positive, when you taken that values from negative to positive, the EMF is positive. And also the direction of current is based on the sign of the potential difference, That's why the direction of potential difference is taken as negative, Okay, when you taken this potential difference is negative means when you taken the values in the direction of current, in that time the potential difference is negative. And the same way the potential difference is positive, when it is potential difference is positive means when you taken the values in the opposite direction of current direction, in that time the potential difference is positive. So these all are the sign convention be taken in a circuit. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 4. Next, let's go to discuss question number 5. See the question number 5 here. Find the electric current drawn from the figure below from the battery of a EMF is 12 volts. So this is the diagram here. Just now we discuss here some sign convention B circuit. According to that rules, first of all take that loop here. The loop is DABCD. What is the loop here? DABCD. So DABCD. In the DABCD, okay, the total potential difference must be equal to 0. Here should take here the current direction should take here -3. Here the current is I1 plus I2. The current is I1 plus I2 plus the potential difference is 12. Next to minus 2I1, the potential difference is -5 is equal to 0. So solve this one here, you have to multiply this one, -3I1 minus 3I2 minus 2I1, 12 minus 5 is plus 7 is equal to 0. Here minus 5I1 minus 3I2 plus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is according to DABCD, that is the loop. Next coming to another loop here, that is loop is DAFED. Should take one more loop here, DAFED. According to this loop, the current is -3I1 plus I2 plus potential difference is 12 plus 12 minus the resistor is 4I2 is equal to 0. Let's do multiply here, -3I1 minus 3I2 plus 12 minus 4I2 is equal to 0. Here minus here 3I1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7I2 plus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Let's do that, solve the equation 1 and equation 2. You have to get here I1 value is 0.5 amperes and I2 value is 1.5 amperes. 1.5 amperes. Now they asking that find the total current here. So total current we have to add here. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Total current is I1 is equal I1 plus I2. Here I1 value is 0.5 plus 1.5. Okay, you have to add this 2 here. You should get 2 amperes. What is the current here? 2 amperes. The current is 2 amperes. This is the total current in the 2 loops. What are the 2 loops here? DA BCD and DA FED. The total loop in the current is, the total current is 2 amperes. So this is the answer for question number 5. Okay students, this is the assignment, today assignment. Next time we have to discuss with another assignment. Okay, until keep smiling. Thank you.